If you open a website to do research and the article is, for example, 5,000 words long, and you don't have time but you still need accurate information and key points and clean notes, so Comet AI can summarize any article, blog, or web page in seconds without copying, without cheating, and without wasting hours. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Comet AI for research and content summarization step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to summarize long content using Comet AI and how to extract key points for notes or scripts, and how creators and students and professionals can use this tool smartly. So let's start the video. Welcome back to TrueBloom AI. Comet AI is an AI powered assistant that helps you read faster, understand complex content, and convert long information into clear summaries. And unlike other normal chat tools, Comet AI can work directly with web pages and understand your context and give structured output. That's why it's extremely useful for research and study notes and YouTube content and blogging and other professional work. It is perfect for students, teachers, researchers, YouTubers, bloggers, freelancers, and if you ever feel overwhelmed by long content, so this tool is for you. First, open this Comet AI, and inside this browser, you'll notice the option to browse or analyze any page. Paste the link of a blog article or news article or any informational website. Once the page loads inside Comet AI, it automatically understands the headings, the paragraphs, context, and I'm using this page as an example for the video. So I have to copy and paste the link of this page. So once the page is completely loaded inside this Comet AI browser, you can simply click on this Summarize the current web page option, or you can open this Comet Assistant panel. Here you can give any prompt like summarize this article in simple and clear language, and within seconds Comet AI gives you a clean summary. No unwanted details and no confusion. This is perfect when you just want to understand the topic quickly or you don't have time to read anything. You can also give prompts to control the length of the summary. For example, you can try prompts like summarize this in 5 bullet points, or give a detailed summary with examples, or summarize this in 100 words. This is extremely useful for making notes and writing scripts or preparing presentations. So let's try this one. But for demonstration, I'm using only the introduction section from this web page. I write a prompt that summarizes the following paragraphs in 5 bullet points and paste these paragraphs inside the Comet AI Assistant panel. And it gives me exactly 5 bullet points. In this way, Comet AI adjusts according to your instructions. And instead of just summaries, sometimes you need key points like extract key takeaways from this article, or what are the main ideas discussed here, or give action points from this content. I write a prompt, extract key takeaways from the paragraphs. and it gives me the core definition, major applications, research goals and methods, and historical development, risk and ethics paragraph. You can see that it can also convert the articles into study notes with headings. Sometimes you need content in table format. I give a prompt, create a comparison table from the paragraphs, and it gives me in table format under each heading like overview versus applications and goals versus tools, narrow AI versus AGI ambition, and historical cycles versus modern boom, benefits versus risks. And this is perfect for tutorials and presentations and teaching content and other professional reports. I'm sure very few of us use this prompt. You can also ask that summarize this article for a YouTube video or create a video outline from this content. I write a prompt, summarize the paragraphs for a YouTube video. And you can see the full content for your YouTube video. Okay, Comet AI is not about replacing your effort. It is about saving time and working smarter. If you know how to use it properly, you can research faster, you can learn better, and create content confidently. So in my next video, I'll cover more Comet AI features. If this video helped you in any way, please like it and share it, and subscribe to my channel to Bloom AI, and also comment below that how are you planning to use Comet AI. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.